Yung apples na hulog. Wala nang natira. They're trying to survive yung snow. Marami dapat yung mahulog. Kinakain nila. Ito din yung apples. Nahulog sila. Ang liit-liit lang ng tree eh. Pero marami siyang bunga. Ayan. Maliit siya. Pero marami. It's a lot. I think it's tasty this one. Maybe I can try. Galing ko lang sa work. Pagod. Ay, mama! So let's try to eat it. And saka may mga ano ko dito. Maraming kamatis. Tomatoes. Ayan nagbulaklak pa siya. Ang dami niya pang bulaklak. Malaki pa siya. Lalo. Ang daming bunga. Ayan hindi na arawan. Kasi wala nang araw eh. Winter na. Ayan maraming bunga. Ayan po doon. At saka nagbubunga pa siya. Nagbulaklak pa eh. Ayan, there's more inside. Behind that bush there. Ayan. Saka may ako. Yan. Ano ba ito? Potatoes? Yeah, potatoes. Patas. Then I'll try to dig in. Yan, i-harvest ko mamaya. Let me try it. Shall I pull it? Oh my god, it's heavy. Oh god. Oh, never mind. I think I'm not strong enough to pull it. But maybe I should get the shovel. So, yan yung apple. Yun yung isang apple. So, I'll get the shovel. Let's see if I can dig in. Actually, there's a lot of this oregano. So they're dying, but actually they're coming here. There's a lot here. And then thymes, and chives. Maliit na onion. Actually, this one is strawberries. And then a carrot here. I don't know if there's carrot inside this one. Because I was so lazy. Well, not lazy, but I got so busy. So I could not really plant properly. We harvest some of it. So it's actually carrots. You see? Yeah. So I put it here. I'll be back for that or give it to the sunflowers is dead already. And raspberry. There's no more. So I try to dig this one if I can see potato. Actually, there's potato. Look. Oh my god. It doesn't even get so far. So I can see that already here. I can imagine how much potato inside it. Oh la la. You see? I got potato. Also here. Oh la. I think I can get more potato. You see? They just come right away. It's actually cute. My hands get dirty. It doesn't matter. But let's see. Oh look, it doesn't even go far to dig down to get potato. I'm just gonna check how much I can get. Oh my god, it's actually a lot. There's actually a lot here. This is all the way like this is just a trial if I could just grow a potato here, but actually here it worked. So I have more. This is a baby one. This is very little. You can see it's very little, but there's bigger one here. But I think I'm gonna get just not the very small one. I can try to dig in this. Yes, small here. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy I can harvest potato here. Actually, this is not my first one. I had the other pot where I can really plant, like put it the one for the potatoes. So it's actually, I tried to pull this one because I guess this is need to be pulled. Actually is very heavy, but let's see if I can get more. Oh, it's sayang, actually can grow more. There's a lot of small things here. Look, still have a lot of baby one. My hands get dirty. That's alright. I'm gonna cook. Maybe I can plant it back, I guess. Look, this is a baby one because I planted very late. I think, yeah, was late I planted. So, oh my god, my hands are dirty. Let's see if I can get more. Oh my god, I'm so afraid with the worms, you know. Let's see if I can find more here. No more. No more. And if there's something missing, then I just maybe plant it back. I'm not sure if that's the right way. Yes, let's put it back because there's a baby one. Maybe it will survive. Let's see. If not, that's also okay. We go to the next one because I think it's not enough. Let's see. I can see one here. There. Yeah. So this actually organic and organic and very new. They're not, you know, old ones. It's soft and tasty. There's a little bit sweet taste for this. So let me take this one. There's more, a baby one, and another one. That one is so small. I can leave it there. It will grow actually for, look at this one. I can show to you. If I just put my finger here, I can see a potato. There, very little. So I put it there and think it will see. That's all. But I think I'm enjoying it, so I'm gonna continue digging it until I'm satisfied. So this is actually the biggest so far. So let's see if I can get more. Actually, I love it. So next year I'm gonna make a bigger garden here. So oh, look at this one. This is cool, huh? Look at that. Oh my god, my hands are so dry, you know. So this, isn't that cool? Oh my goodness, I love this, doing this harvesting thing. You see, my hands get dirty, but that's all right. But yeah, I'm so happy. I get another one here, a bigger one. Actually, I don't need to dig so much, so I think I have enough now. I cannot eat so much anyway, so I think I have a lot already. And it's even like two plants that I have dig, which is I don't dig it completely because there's also under. I can put my fingers there. See, yeah. But we leave it like that because as you can see, there's a little one coming there. Oh my god, I love this one. My fingers get dirty. Good thing that I don't have the nail extension. I removed it from yesterday because I get so busy today at work and I need to hurry up. So I just yeah. So look at that, how much I get. That's a lot, and this is only here and there. This is two plants, and I have more there on there. Yes. So this is yeah, I love it. So now I think this is enough, and I'm gonna cook it and Maybe give it to my neighbor. Oh, I don't know. Make salad? Potato salad, probably. So you don't have to. Yeah. And I bought a steak. So look at this. They don't actually get ripe now because they don't get enough sun. So actually, I don't know what to do. But maybe I try to pick the ripe one so I can save it for getting all the seeds so I can plant it next summer. So they are actually exploding because it's so ripe. Like here, you see, very ripe. Oh my god, my fingers. Yes, you see, there's lots of here. But anyway, there's my potato and there's my little apple. So I picked one here. I'm gonna eat it, but not now because my fingers are very dirty. So this is for now. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and share and follow me on my YouTube and Instagram. Thank you very much for watching. I will be posted my cooked potato.